Hello children! Today we are exploring the Union Jack, the flag of the United Kingdom. In the United Kingdom there are 4 nations: England, Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. The Union Jack was created in 1606 and it combines the flags of the 4 nations I mentioned before. The flag of England is made of the Red Cross of St. George, that is a symbol of protection. This Red Cross lays on a white ground. The flag of Wales shows a red dragon, but in the Union Jack there isn't any dragon, because when the Union flag was created, Wales was not an independent nation. It was already part of the Kingdom of England. The flag of Northern Ireland is the cross of St. Patrick, the patron saint of this country. This red cross lays on a white ground, like the red cross of St. George in the flag of England. The flag of Scotland is a white cross. This cross is the cross of St. Andrew, that is the patron saint of Scotland. The cross lays on a light blue ground. In the end, the Union Jack is the combination of 3 flags: Scotland, Ireland and England. But why is it called Jack? This name has uncertain origin. So, there are 3 hypotheses. Either it comes from the jacket of the English or Scottish soldiers, from the name of James I, who unified the kingdom in 1603. Jack is the nickname for the name James. Or it comes from the name of the little flags of the English ships. Their name was Jack.